Woo back, baby. Woo back, baby. Woo. Okay. Okay. Look, you cannot say pop and forget to smoke.
Please don't shoot me in the back. Please don't shoot me in the back. Alright, camping in a corner is crazy.
I mean, you camping in your spawn sniping, bro.
Shut up, nigga, you suck.
Oh, look at this bitch ass nigga.
Window, bro. Their window.
Oh, down
not again.
Weird. I'm telling you, you can do some right shit, man.
You took off run too early.
Oh, he heard you.
Cock shots.
Oh my god, but y'all
Behind you.
Y'all niggas, but y'all fucking suck.
No, he's getting sold.
Y'all niggas are fucking sucking, man. Don't say big, nigga.
Y'all big, man, huh?
Like, look at him.
6-0 sweep.
Oh
Appreciate
my
that,
God.
sorry guys.
Y'all are shit, bro.
Yes.
Y'all big, man.
How'd y'all get in plat?
Bro, y'all can't be serious, man.
Good job, guys.
Bro. Y'all just run to the middle and let us pull
Oh
y'all.
no.
Just end it quicker.
No, you're not good,
It's
bro.
best not to do that again.
You're not
so
either,
What are you
boy.
talking about, buddy? It's 4-0.
How many wins y'all got?
Yup.
It definitely, we get 6-0, I'm getting off. I'm so
No,
serious,
watch
man.
out.
I'm getting the fuck off.
I'm switching.
I'm so serious,
No, I'm
man.
not switching.
Our teammates are so shit. He just went inside of orange again. You shot him. Be careful climbing that ladder. I don't know if he just came behind the door or something. Be careful. There you go.
He's smoking already. Nah, he tried it for real.
I should have been out.
We gave you one round. That's all you're getting.
Nah, you got smoked.
Say whatever you want, but I believe me.
Alright, keep that same energy.
Bet.
Bet. Now put a sniper up.
Alright. No, there's no point in sniper. Go to B.
I'm
Everyone
talking
go to
to
B.
my teammate.
I'm not here, no BS.
Or Kevin Durant. One of them.
Everyone go to fucking B.
Go be, man.
No, okay, here we go again. They're at B.
I know,
Let's see
hold
what
on.
my teammates do. Teammate, they're right under you. Climbing the ladder. Climbing the ladder. Teammate has no fucking headphones. Straight shutters, bro.
What, bro?
Ooh, he was down there now. He moved.
Yeah, I see that. Good kill, buddy.
Hey, don't let us get three
Very
now.
skilled.
Don't let us get three.
Very skilled. Don't know, just get 3. You sound like the Celtics, bro.
Playing it, but I don't know.
Nah, wait on it.
I'm gonna fight now. It's in our fucking phone.
Right there, right there.
I think I heard one orange. Yeah, one's orange.
Talk to me.
Alright, last one. In our spawn, he might be going upstairs.
Up top, up top.
Yeah. Almost in.
Oh my gosh, give me the ace. You're a dog water. Look how quiet they got.
No, we're here.
Yeah, we still here.
Somebody wanna
Don't
read
worry.
the score?
No, yep. You better be here. Don't
4-3.
leave. Don't leave.
Enemy bomb at Bravo.
Good job, though, guys.
Nice try.
It's not
Maybe
over,
next
buddy.
round.
It is.
No, no.
Okay, it's regular ass fucking crazy.
I got him.
Watch
Fine.
this blowing my mind. One's the orange. I don't know both of them are. Oh my god. Pop, daddy, and go back.
30 seconds
Where?
remain.
Did you see him? He's in a corner.
I got pinched.
Nah, I baited him.
Ready up for the next one.
Fucking no, you did it. You
You masturbated him.
Hell no.
Look, bro, you
Your
can
gun
even
was-
kill me,
his gun
bro.
was in the way when you jumped
That
down.
nigga said he
We're like,
fucking
he jumped
did
down.
it. That nigga did not see his
You tried it, bro.
Alright, there you go. Dead.
Yes, let's go. Yes.
Victory there. Prepare to repeat.
Uh-oh, they scared. They so scared.
For all the marbles.
On me, bro, just so scared, bro. What was that about,
Nice.
5-0? Top orange.
Enemy moving. Moving here.
Timmy, just watch him right there. You got
Don't
it.
even peek,
I'm gonna try
it.
and flank.
He's in that corner,
Alright, going up, thinking.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, left on top orange. Left on
Top orange, yep. Just watch it, watch bomb.
You know what's up. You're not touching
Yes, sir. We
Yeah.
smoking on
that
all.
one.
GG's, fellas.
Ain't no
No, fuck
GG.
that.
I ain't
No,
trying to
fuck
hear
that
that.
GG.
Nah,
No,
I
you
ain't
suck.
we
Shut up.
smoking on all y'all. Y'all gotta uninstall the game right now. Have fun de-ranking, bozo. Goofy, look at you. Balling.
Doing all that. Talking about 5-0, 5-0. Yeah, shut your bitch ass up.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah.
That's sorry behind my
Dog
street.
Oh, y'all not talking now? Look at y'all. Fucking suck. Delete the game. Go back to pubs, pussy.